formalities, and we'll just take it from there. Welcome to the 186th District Court. Court is in session. This is cause number 2013 CR 5094W, State of Texas versus Daniel Martinez. We're here today for a motion to enter an adjudication of guilt. We're conducting this hearing via video conference using the Zoom application. We're also using YouTube to live stream the proceedings to keep the hearing public. The time now is 11:06 a.m. on the 29th day of June, 2021. These proceedings are official. They're on the record and they're being recorded by the official court reporter. Counsel and all present are instructed to act as though you are in court, and all are instructed not to record the proceedings. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Austin Stout from the state.
Flores for Mr. Martinez.
Sir, are you the same Daniel Martinez who was placed on deferred adjudication on June 21st, 2013 for the offense of possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
And state, do we have an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is to grant the state's motion to sentence the defendant to 75 days in the Bexar County Jail under section 1244A with credit for all time served, satisfying the judgment.
Mr. Flores, is that your understanding of the agreement?
It is, Judge.
And Mr. Martinez, is that your understanding as well?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Martinez, if I agree to this, because I don't have to agree to this, but if I agree to this, I ask that you waive your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Flores, do you agree with that as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Martinez is going to use a function of Zoom called share screen, and I'm going to show you a document, and it's called the defendant's consent to appear by video conference. And I'm using my cursor to circle around an electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're telling me you understand that normally we do these types of hearings live and in court, but that you are consenting to do this by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the consent and I make it a part of the record. Now I'm using share screen to show you the actual motion to enter adjudication of guilt. I'll scroll through because it's 2 pages here. Are you familiar with this document?
Yes, sir.
Did you go over this with Mr. Flores?
Yes, sir.
You understand it?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Flores, do we waive reading of the motion?
We do, Your Honor.
I'm going to get out of share screen. Mr. Martinez, the allegations listed on the motion that you violated conditions of community supervision, how do you plead? True or not true?
Truth.
You understand, just by pleading true, I can find out those violations are true and revoke your community supervision. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you still wish to plead true?
Yes, sir.
Find the violations are true. I grant the state's motion. You're hereby revoked, sir. Now find you guilty of the underlying offense. Counsel, is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor.
Being no legal reason, in accordance with the agreement with the state, sir, you now have a state jail felony conviction, but under the provisions of Penal Code 12.44A, I will impose Class A misdemeanor punishment with 75 days in the Bexar County Jail. We'll give you credit for time served. This will be now judgment satisfied. Sir, this is a revocation of your community supervision where you have waived your right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record. I'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. Is there anything else from either side in regards to the motion or to the sentencing?
Nothing from the state.
Nothing from the defense, Judge.
All right, good luck to you, Mr. Martinez. This
Thank you, sir.
matter is now concluded.